EZU is one of the cross-chain NFTs that is being sought after by even Solana and Ethereum influencers. Alright, so right on my screen is the EZU Ethereum Whitelist Raffle, and this will teach you how to participate in the last verse of the raffle. Okay, so if you go to this link right here, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. It's going to take you to this page where you will see the requirements for the EZU whitelist. So the first thing is you need to be in the Psychedelics Anonymous Discord server, and you also need to have 0.05 Ethereum in your wallet. If you don't have these two done, then you won't be able to enter. So after you've gotten your 0.05 Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet or your Ethereum wallet, and you have joined the Psychedelics Anonymous Discord server, then the first thing you need to do is to connect your Ethereum wallet, right? If you are using a PC, it's fine. If you are using your mobile phone, I'll suggest you download Kiwi browser, because it helps you perform tasks that you can only perform on your PC. All right, so I click on connect wallet and it brings this. So I am using Ethereum. All right, so I click on MetaMask right there. So once I click on MetaMask, all I need to do is to go to my MetaMask wallet and scroll down, then click on MetaMask down here. So if you don't have Kiwi browser, just download Kiwi browser and search for MetaMask Chrome extension. So once you search for MetaMask Chrome extension, let me give you an example, an illustration right here. All right, so once you download Kiwi browser, search for MetaMask Chrome extension right here. All right, so once you click on the first, it will bring you to this page right here. Then all you need to do is to add to MetaMask, add to Chrome right here. All right, I'm not planning on removing from Chrome. So once you add to Chrome, it's going to bring you to an interface where you input your details. Probably if you have a MetaMask account before a wallet, you can create a new wallet, or you can restore your old wallet. So anytime you want to check your MetaMask account, you can just click on this, then scroll down, then you will find your extension. So it works just like your PC. All right, the same thing goes for Phantom, the same thing goes for any other extension you need. Now back to our business of the day. All right, so this was the page right here. All right, I connected my wallet. So I go back here to the pop-up and click on MetaMask. So once I click on MetaMask, I'll need to input my password. That's if you put in your password. All right, now that I've input my password, I unlock. And once I unlock, all I need to do next is to confirm this connection. All right, you can see I already have 0.05 ETH right there. Okay, so that is unlocked. Let me go back to the Magic Eden marketplace and connect again. So I'm connecting MetaMask right here. So you can see it is connected. Then all the other things you need to do is to log into your Magic Eden account right here. Then you connect to Discord right here. So once you click on connect or link Discord, it's going to take you to an approval page, and once you approve, then that's it. It's going to get connected. Then you log into your Magic Eden account using your Solana wallet or your Phantom wallet. All right, so once you've done that, all you need to do is to click on verify and enter right there. So you can see success, you have been entered into this whitelist opportunity. So this wallet has been submitted. So guys, that is how to participate in the EZU Ethereum whitelist raffle. If you are thinking if this is fake, you can just check EZU on Twitter. All right, let me check EZU on Twitter, so you can see that this is real. This is real. EZU XYZ. All right, this is their Twitter account right here. They are being sought after. All right, so if you go down, you can see right here. All right, you can see right here. So this is the opportunity being posted 17 hours ago from the time I am making this video. So you can just do that. If you're on your PC, you would have no problem, but if you're on your phone, you can't do all those on your Chrome browser. You can't do, or it will be difficult to do all those on your phone browser, because you'll be needing both your phone browser and your wallet. All right, so you can see right here, I already entered. Log into EMI. This is it. Log into Magic Eden and connect to Discord. All right, so let me click on login to Magic Eden. So I'll have to sign this message. Once I click on sign this message, it will take me to my MetaMask wallet. All right, so like if you're using your normal browser, this is what you are going to get. But if you're using the Kiwi browser, everything is just once you click on the extension and you approve the transaction. All right, this video is getting too long, but I'm just illustrating this to you so you can know how it feels working with Kiwi browser and working on your normal browser. All right, so you can see it's taking time, so I have to sign. Once I sign, it's going to take me back to this page. All right, to confirm. So this is just to prove that I own the wallet. So it's rolling. Let me go back to the MetaMask page. If there's another pop-up, all right, there's no pop-up. So it's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling. So we just have to wait. Now this is one of the disadvantage. If I'm on Kiwi browser, I would have done the signing in straight up using the extension. All right, you can see it says login field at the top. All right, it says login field. Let me try again. Sign in message. All right, let's do it again. All right, sign. I've signed. It's loading. All right, you are signed in successfully. All right, I've entered this before. That is why it says success. You have entered into this whitelist. So guys, don't let me make this video extremely long. This is how you claim your, this is how you enter the raffle for the EZU XYZ whitelist raffle. All right, I post video contents like this. If it is what you like, go ahead to subscribe to this channel and like this video, share with your friends. If you have any suggestion for me, just drop them in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.